Hi friends, my name is Gunjan and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make keto custard coconut flan. Some people call it creme caramel, but whatever you call it, the fact remains the same that it tastes absolutely delicious. So let's go ahead and see the recipe. To make keto custard coconut flan, first we will start off by making the caramel. To make the caramel, here I have taken 2 tablespoons of sweetener, and to this I am adding 3 tablespoons of water. Now on a stove, start melting your sweetener. Now here, depending on your sweetener, you can use little extra water to achieve your caramel or to make your caramel, but 3 to 4 tablespoons of water usually does the job for me, so I am fine with 3 tablespoons of water. Once sweetener has melted, add 1 heaped tablespoon of butter and let this mixture cook until it caramelizes. It will take around 5 to 6 minutes. And after 5 to 6 minutes, it will turn something like this. Nice golden caramel color. And next, here I have taken 2 ramekin and I have already greased my ramekin with coconut oil, and to this ramekin I am adding my prepared caramel and just swirl it around so that it spreads evenly. Now next, here I have taken 3 medium size room temperature egg. I am going to use 2 whole egg and 1 egg yolk. And mix the eggs until it's well combined. While I am whisking this up, why don't you go and subscribe to my channel in meanwhile. And next to this, I am adding 1/4 cup of sweetener and give it a good stir. And whisk it until it's all well incorporated. Now next, I have taken a serving glass, and to this I am adding 1 cup of coconut cream. You can definitely use regular cream, but I absolutely love the taste of coconut cream, so I am using coconut cream. And slowly add your sugar and egg mixture to this and whisk it thoroughly until milk and the egg mixture is well combined. Now the coconut milk what I am using, it's already has a vanilla flavor, so I am not adding extra vanilla to this, but 1 teaspoon of vanilla is must to this recipe. And now next we are going to pour this to our prepared ramekin. Now you can go ahead and fill this up completely because it doesn't really rise much. And now I'm going to place this into water bath. To create a water bath, I'm pouring some water to my baking tray. And now cook this for 25 minutes at 350 degree Fahrenheit. Once it's cooked, allow it to cool completely before unmolding it. And to unmold it, I am running a knife around the edges of our flan carefully. And here I am done. Now next, place a plate on the top of your ramekin and just flip it. And there you go. See how beautiful this looks, and it tastes absolutely gorgeous. Must try recipes. Thank you for watching. If you like my recipe, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.